But yeah, it literally all flowed like that. I bought the bike, right? Got the title, registered it. Then I was watching videos of Blockhead, learning how to ride, parts 1, 2, and 3. Then I took my Harley Davidson course, got my certification. It was a 3-day course, really wasn't that bad. The instructor was pretty cool. So after I passed that, I got my certification, and then I stayed glued to the road, you know? Literally, 2 wheels down, anywhere I could go. Anytime it's not raining, I'm on this bike. I know a lot of people that I talk to, they say that they really want to get a bike, but they're scared. If you're scared and you never give it a chance, you'll never realize that you might love it, you know? Once you give it a chance, you'll realize how easy it actually is. Then I just recommend to either take those classes that I was telling you guys about, or from there, literally what I do, I follow another dude named Dan the Fireman, and he actually teaches motorcycle safety classes. And then not only that, but he makes videos. It allows you to pretty much watch that and go over exactly what's going on and realize where the people made a mistake, how they could have avoided it. He pretty much teaches you situational awareness. Yeah, he teaches you situational awareness, how to stay on top of being in charge of your situation, you know, not blaming everything on cars, because there's always something that we can do in order to change the situation that we're in. A lot of bikers like to say, oh, you know, it was the car's fault, and at the end of the day, it might be the car's fault, but at the end of the day, there's always something that you can do that could have kept you out of that situation. A big part of that is lane positioning. You know, I know a lot of people like freak out when they realize I'm so close to one side of the lane. When you're in one lane on a bike, there are 3 different lane positions that you can be in. You can be in lane position 1, which is furthest to the left of that lane. You can be in lane position 2, which is right in the middle. Not recommended, just because there's lots of oil, especially in San Antonio. There's a lot of traffic with 18-wheelers out here, and there is a lot of oil in the middle of those lanes. So if it does happen to rain, that water causes the oil to rise up and they get a lot more slick. You don't want all that trash and gunk on your tires. So I do recommend lane 1 or lane 3. Lane 3 would be furthest to the right of your lane. So I try to stay in either one of those. I pretty much figure out what lane position I'm gonna be in, depending on whether there's a car to my right, a car to my left, a car coming up to my right, or a car coming up to my left. Now, if there's a car coming up to my right, I'll stay in lane position 3 so that they can see me while I'm behind them. But as soon as I'm getting close enough to them that they should have seen me, I will automatically switch to lane position 1, just in case they didn't see me and they start to get over. That gives me more time to either drop down and get on that throttle to take off, or fall back. Either that or just switch a lane. But at the end of the day, you definitely want to give yourself all the time possible in order to react. Skitty. Damn, who is that sexy thing right there? You want to draw my blood? I'll give it to you. She thicker than a snicker.
You want to go straight or to the right?
It's up to you.
We'll go straight.
Okay.
No, never mind. Let's go right.
Okay.
I remember I don't like that f***ing curve. Oh my god, it feels so beautiful out here.
It does. I like it a lot. Badass biker chick, dude. She's f***ing rad. Yeah, we know. We about to cat camera ass. That's right, baby. Get on that throttle. Oh. That dude in the truck was definitely checking you out. Keep your eyes on the road, mister. But I was saying I'm kind of excited for Caleb to learn so we can. Yeah. We just got to get you on your bike more. You're so cool, I'ma call you culo. I need to get a chin curtain for this to kill some of that wind noise. Because on that last video I did, like, I was like, damn, it seemed like it was a whole different helmet. So we are back on the road, heading to Woodlawn Park. Take a little walk and a cruise. Sabrina said she was down for the... Careful of what? Sabrina said she was down for a ride after work. So here we are. Damn, they gotta start speeding up. They're getting on the freeway. Fucking going from like 40. The next one, yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh, something blew in my nose. What's up? Cheerio, chops. It's your boy T-Ref. Your turn signal's on. This is where we got those mango nadas, huh? Yeah, the mango nadas was banging. Mangonadas.
I feel like we honestly reordered more than we should have because we didn't even finish eating.
I know, it's just once you get in there, everything looks so good. It's such a good store. Look, they. Anybody wants some mango nadas, some fruits, agua frescas, nachos, the Michoacana, right there. What street are we on right now? Cincinnati, over here by Woodlawn Park. Lit, bruh. It's lit.
You want to pull over right here?
We can pull over wherever you want to, my love. Lit. Scooter gang, baby. Rum, rum. I'm just guessing that that's the sound that his scooter makes. Rum, rum, rum. It is super nice, dude. Woodlawn mother freaking park. Anything for the pictures. So we're gonna be rebels right now, and we are going to figure out how we can get our bikes closer to the lake for a better picture. Because I'm telling Sabrina she cannot settle for the picture she just got right now from the street. No.
It wasn't that bad.
Could be better, dude. So
You lead, actually, so that way if you see a good parking spot.
alright. See, even right here would be a badass picture. Should I stay or should I go now? I said we go over here, yeah. Look at all these ducks. Little duck gooses. Little ducky gooses. Honestly, I think if we center them right here, we'll take one each. Hey, how much more bread y'all got? Yes, I did. You said it's cute. You love old people.
I said we have this nice food everybody can get.
Oh, that was way before you said that, but yes, I heard that too. Throw your ass in this lake. Get Them pigeons getting active right now. Hey, hold up, kid. Hold up, kid. I know how to cook some duck. Got a saddlebag. I can fit at least 5 of y'all in here. I'm thinking like right here, yeah, with the light post in the background. This guy, his green, neon green ass shorts. All right, I'm calling right now, my love.
Alright, am I speaking with Trevor?
Yes.
Alrighty, Trevor, so I do have it down for the previous order, a 10-piece bone-in, 5 hot, 5 lemon pepper with the fries, friends, and a drink.
No, that's gonna be it.
Alrighty, Trevor, so it's going to take about, I should say, 18, possibly 20 minutes, and your total's coming out to $14.39, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
All right, let's go get these wings.
So we're gonna go straight there. How you're gonna put them in your saddlebag?
That's what it's used for, holding stuff. Only thing I can't bring is the tea. I'll put on that un puño de tierra. Yeah, I was trying to see if they were going. I was gonna let them go, but you snooze, you lose. You know what I'm saying? Can you see? Sorry. Should be good after this black truck. Get on it. Alright, you're gonna have to start getting over at some point, my love. Right now would be perfect. Want more or no? We could stay right here. Why does that look like baby Damien? Get you getting a little speed going. That's gonna conclude this video. If you guys do like the content, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I do drop other videos. Until next time, guys, you ride safe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.